Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The Pension Industry Association of Jamaica, TVJ, wants a more aggressive timeline for Phase 2 of pension reforms. The organization says it's critical to increase pension coverage among private sector workers. Former BOJ Governor Brian Winter adds that the developments need to be fast-tracked. He was speaking today at the Victoria Mutual Retirement Seminar.
Make saving a habit, they tell us, and you will be okay. And this is undoubtedly good advice. There's no better way to build a nest egg for retirement. We know that. But good as the advice might be, it is nevertheless a fact that the vast majority of Jamaicans just don't buy it. And they've never bought it.
Now to some good news for consumers. Gas prices are going down tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will go for 9 cents less. Automotive diesel will go up by $2.89. Ultra-low sulfur diesel will increase by $2.27. Kerosene will cost $2.46 more. Propane $1.80 more and butane $3.06 more. In currency trading today, the Jamaican dollar regained some of its losses. The US dollar ended the day at $141.70. The Canadian dollar sold for $107.49. The pound $182.42, while the euro closed at $156.73. The JSE index gained 251 points and the junior market index is up by 14 points. Among the winners, Mayberry Investments, Siboney Group, Proven Investments, US Dollar Shares, ISP Finance Services and G West Corporation. On the losing side, we had Stationery and Office Supplies, Pulse Investments, T-Tech, Seprod and Sterling Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.